Let's create a unique and eye-catching logo for my YouTube and Instagram channels using the power of AI. This process is really exciting because it combines creativity with cutting-edge technology. To start, I'll carefully type out the prompt. This step is absolutely crucial. The prompt is what guides the AI, so crafting it thoughtfully ensures we get the best possible design that matches my vision and brand identity. Once the prompt is ready, the next step is to upload a reference image. This image will serve as a style guide for the AI, helping it understand the aesthetic, mood, and visual elements I want to incorporate in the logo. Having a strong reference makes a huge difference in the final outcome. Now let's see what the AI creates. Here's the initial logo design it generated based on the prompt and reference. It looks fantastic. The colors, shapes, and overall vibe are very close to what I imagine. However, I'm curious to explore some variations. To add a fresh twist, I'll ask the AI to update the logo by replacing the horse element with a robot, while keeping the same artistic style and color palette intact. This way, the logo stays consistent but gains a new character that might better represent my channel's futuristic and tech-focused vibe. And wow, the robot version turned out perfect. It really fits the brand's personality and adds a unique touch that sets the logo apart. Finally, to complete the branding package, I'll generate a custom banner image for my YouTube channel. This banner will match the logo's style and colors seamlessly, creating a cohesive and professional look across my channel's visual identity. With this approach, I'm confident my branding will stand out and leave a memorable impression on my audience.